Dear students, in this lecture, we will discuss about some special problems which I have categorized in level 3 problems. Let's have a look on problems as which term of sequence 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 1 by 2 and so on would be first negative term. Just see the question. In the given question, what we have to solve, we have to evaluate the first term which is negative. To solve this type of problems, I have already told you that while solving with AP, जब हम AP को solve कर रहे हैं, what we have to do firstly value of A and D. In the above expression, given that first term A is equals to 20 and common difference D is equals to what? Second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. I have already discussed about this. It is 19 1 by 4 minus 20, which is equals to what? Minus of 3 by 4. Now see, we have to evaluate the first negative term. For the first negative term, let's suppose the nth term is first negative term, and for negative term the expression should be less than 0. पहला टर्म नेगेटिव कब होगा? नेगेटिव तब होगा जब आप उस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करते हो और यू वुड गेट अ वैल्यू विच इज लेस देन 0. तो मैंने यहाँ पर एक इनइक्वालिटी बना लिया कि n शुड बी लेस देन 0. नाउ फॉर्मूला ऑफ an, what it says a plus n minus 1 into d should be less than 0. Value of a is what? 20. I'm putting value of a and d in the above expression. We have 20 plus n minus 1 whole multiplied by minus 3 by 4 should be less than 0. Further solving it, what we get? We get 20 minus of 3n by 4 and plus of 3 by 4 should be less than 0. We can also write it as 20 plus 3 by 4 should be less than with 3n by 4. Next, when I solve 20 and 3 by 4, we have an LCM of 4, which makes it 80 plus 3 should be less than 3n by 4. Now after taking the LCM, we would directly cancel 4 on the both side. What we have an expression like 3n should be greater than 83, or I can write it as n should be greater than 83 upon 3, which is what? N should be greater than 27 2 by 3. Now what this expression says? This expression says that the value of n should be greater than 27 n by 3. Now for terms हमारे पास इंटीजर्स में होती है. वैल्यू ऑफ n की वैल्यू वो बोल रहा है 27 2 by 3 से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. 27 2 by 3 से जस्ट अबव वैल्यू क्या है? 28. सो द फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म would be n is equals to 28, or we can say that our first negative term would be 28th term. So here we have the solution of the above problem. उसने बोला था फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म निकाल के बताओ। फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म निकालने के लिए हमने कुछ नया चीज़ नहीं करा, हमने सिर्फ एक्सप्रेशन में इतना सा लिखा कि ए एन शुड बी लेस देन जीरो, एंड ए एन इज लेस देन जीरो। उसमें वैल्यूज पुट करी, वैल्यूज पुट करके सॉल्व किया, एन की वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शन आया। फ्रैक्शन को हमको इंटीजर्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि जो हमारे पास टर्म्स होती है इट शुड बी इन इंटीजर्स, सो वी गेट 28th term is the first negative term. And next category, let me take one more problem. There is a question like in a AP which is 4, 9, 14 up to 254, find tenth term from the end. Now the question says we have to find the 10th term from the end. देखो इसको मैंने कैटेगरी 3 में क्यों डाला है कि इसने एक नया एक लॉजिक अपने को दे दिया। अभी तक हम लोग निकाल रहे थे फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, बट ऑल द टर्म्स आर कंसिडर्ड एज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग। हियर ही सेड कि हमको निकालना है 10th term from the end. For this type of problem you have to understand a simple formula, or we can say a simple logic, that nth term from the end is always equals to m minus n plus 1th term from beginning. Here m is equals to total number of terms. कहने का मतलब अगर हमको nth term from the end पूछा है तो आप टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म में से उस टर्म को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करें जो आपसे पूछा है, n प्लस वन कर दें। अगर आप प्लस वन कर देते हो तो ये जो आप बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आपसे पूछा है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में। नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फार्मूला, if I have to evaluate the 10th term from the end, that means first of all मुझे evaluate करना होगा m, and the value of m कहाँ से आएगा हमारे पास, हमको जो AP उसने दिया है उसमें से। अब AP हमारे पास है 4, 9, 14 up to 254. Now see, in the above AP, Tn last term is equals to 254, A is equals to 4, and D is equals to what? A2 minus 7, which is equals to 5. So when we put these all values in equation number, in the given formula, what we get? We get, since Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that means 254 is equals to 4 plus n. Now there is one more concept. As we have already used and for the nth term, here we would change some expression, like here we would calculate the value of mth term. हमने यहाँ पर टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स को लिया m, सो हमको इन सब n को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा m की फॉर्म में। Here we have 254 is equals to 4 plus m minus 1 into d. d is what? 5. इस 4 को अगर मैं राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करता हूँ, द रिजल्टेंट वुड बी 250 इज इक्वल्स टू m माइनस 1 इंटू 5. ये 5 इस 250 को कैंसिल आउट कर देगा एंड देयर वुड बी अ 50. सो the equation would become m minus 1 is equals to 50. That means m is equals to what? Total number of terms is equals to 50 plus 1 which is equals to 51. कहने का मतलब हमारे पास total number of terms आ गया 51. When we have the value of m, now see the formula nth term from the end. अब हमारे पास m भी है और n भी है, so we can easily calculate that now 10th term from and is equals to m. M is what? 51 minus of n 10 plus of 1 term from what? Beginning. So अब हमारे पास एक एक्सप्रेशन आता है कि 10th term from the end would equals to, this is what? 41 41 and 1 is what? 42nd term from beginning. Now see 42nd term from beginning हम लोग इजीली अब कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. T of 42 is equals to A plus 42 minus 1 multiplied by D. T of 42 is equals to 4 plus 41 whole multiplied by 5. T of 42 is equals to 4 plus, this would be 205 and the whole output become 209. So it would be 42nd term from the beginning, or we can say the 10th term from the last. So I think the level 3 problems would be also cleared to you. फर्स्ट हमने एक नेगेटिव टर्म का कॉन्सेप्ट देखा, उसके बाद हमने देखा कि अगर हमको एंड से कोई टर्म निकालनी है तो हमें उसे कैसे एवेल्यूएट करना है. इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस द फार्मूला ऑफ nth sum of nth term of an AP. Thank you.